everyone, we're going to play Minefield today. So, Minefield, where's that? It's a game where you have to avoid things. Okay. Now, let's do a rugby version of the Minefield, okay? So, we've got the start right here. Oh, sorry, I got that. Here, you get the start. Here, the finish line. It's a try. That's where you score a try, okay? And along the way, rugby players that will stop you if you encounter them. So, the goal is to go from the start here to the end line and score a try. Now, if you touch a rugby player, you are eliminated and you have to start again, okay? And we've got Agatha and Clémence in team 1. Okay, say hello to the camera. Okay, and Alicia in team 2. She's playing defense, okay? So she doesn't want the other girls to score a try, okay? Now, Agatha will be blindfolded and Clémence will give her directions. Okay? Can you see?
No.
Cool, okay. So, I'm just gonna say, go forward, go backward, go left, or go right. You can only say 3 directions at the moment. And go!
Go forward.
Okay.
Again.
Go forward.
Forward. Go on the left.
Okay, and stop! Now, she said 3 different directions. Defense is gonna play, and defense can change player's position. Ooh! So she's trying to make it tricky for her to get to the try line. Interesting, interesting. And only 2 seconds left. 1, 2, and stop! Ooh, that's gonna be interesting. Now, offense is gonna play again. Ready, Clémence?
Yes.
3 things. 1, 2, 3, go!
Go on the right and forward. 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 Yeah.
Oh, it's a try! Excellent! You scored a try. Great job. Now, ooh, that was
Can I go, Mike?
almost. Can I play?
Can I play?
Yes, you can. Okay, and now we change. Offense becomes defense. Okay, so and I need someone else to give directions to. Taz, can you give directions to Alicia?
Hi. Okay.
Okay. Offense and defense, are you ready? Yes?
Yes.
Go!
Go left.
Okay.
Go forward.
Number 3.
Go left.
Ooh! Oh, so close, so close. Now, defense did not get a chance to play, but great tactic. Wow, amazing. You can take off the blindfold. Bye everyone. Bye.